Hello, this is Lydia Isaac Healthy Lifestyle. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best and easiest French toast. So guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down there and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload very yummy recipes. Thank you very much. So today we're going to be using some ingredients like butter, vanilla extract, cinnamon, 2 eggs. We're going to be needing some sliced bread, and also we're going to be needing a cup of milk. So we're also going to be needing a very wide bowl that we're going to use to mix our ingredients. Right now, as you can see, I have 2 eggs already in my bowl. So I'm just going to whisk my egg and add the other ingredients and mix them all together. So right now I'm just adding some salt, half cup of milk, some cinnamon to season, vanilla extract, and I'm just going to whisk them together for like a minute. So guys, please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the red button down there where it says subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you know when I post more easy and yummy recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up also. Thank you very much guys. So right now, as you can see, I'm just adding my butter into my hot pan that I'm going to be using to make my French toast today. Okay, so guys, this also is a very nice recipe to make for your kids when they don't like eating egg. You can make this French toast for them because it's also a way to sneak egg into their daily meal. Okay, and it's very yummy. They will like and enjoy this French toast. Just give it a try and drop a comment for me. So right now I just dip my bread into my mixed ingredients, and I'm going to be putting it in my hot pan of butter. So you leave it till it's golden brown. Then you flip it for the other side to be brown as well. So I'm going to use this process to make all my French toast, and when I'm done, I will show you how yummy and delicious my French toast look like. Right now, I'm almost done making my delicious French toast for breakfast. Wow, guys, come on, just look at how delicious and beautiful my French toast looks like. It came out very nice and yummy. So right now, I'm just adding some honey on top to enjoy my French toast. If you like, you can add some maple syrup. It will give it a very yummy taste as well. Please guys, don't forget to hit the red button down there and subscribe so you'll be able to know when I post a very delicious and yummy recipes. Thank you, and see you on my next video.